Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick video about food safety and cans that you should not open and use. I don't know if you guys can see the surface of this can, but it is raised and I can't push my finger on it at all and make it go in. This can's not that old. It's been stored downstairs in unfortunately in a basement for the past couple of years, and that basement has mold in it and is very damp, and the cans, I noticed, started to get rust on them. So right now I am frantically scrambling to move every single can that I have down there upstairs where there is no room to store anything. And I found this can that's about to explode. I don't know if you guys... The top of it is raised. I don't know if you can see this on camera. It's refried beans, and the bottom of it, as you can see, has opened. And it doesn't have any dents in it. There's no dents. The reason that the can is compromised is because of the moisture that it has been stored in a basement that never ever should have been built in the first place in this environment, and that I said no to, but that's a whole other video. But this can rusted right here, and now it has exploded and absolutely has botulism in it because this is raised up and I can't push it in, and it's scary, so I've tossed it outside here and it's going in the junk pile so I don't eat it and die. And I'm just really not happy about this. I have to go through every single can I have, and most of them have surface rust on them now, which isn't great to eat either. When I open the can with a can opener or the pull tab, the food is going to get rust on it and going into a pan. So I'm royally pissed off right now. My entire food storage has been ruined.